I will tell you 10 best way to make money online in 2023. Selling products or services. You can sell physical or digital products, or offer services such as freelance writing, graphic design, or social media management. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses to teach others. Dropshipping. This involves setting up an online store and partnering with a supplier who will handle the storage, shipping, and returns of your products. Blogging. You can start a blog and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. YouTube. You can create and monetize YouTube videos through advertising and sponsorships. Selling digital products. This could include ebooks, printables, or stock photos. Providing online consulting or coaching services. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer online consulting or coaching services to clients. Taking paid surveys. There are websites and apps that pay users to take surveys. While the pay for these surveys is typically low, it can be a quick and easy way to make some extra money. Participating in the gig economy. There are many gig economy platforms, such as Uber or TaskRabbit, that allow you to offer your services and make money.